So Culper Woodhull is giving away uh, 6 Master Lock 410 lockout tagout locks, as well as a really beautiful pick from that was made by To Be Deciphered. Um, so he's asked us, anyone who's entering, to uh, pick a lock on video. And so today I'm going to be picking this Corbin Russwin rim cylinder. Um, this lock, the keyway isn't super restrictive, but I've always had a little bit of difficulty with it. But I recently uh, got some SS Dev picks, so I figure this is a good chance to use some of the ones in 15 thousandths. Let's try. Go for this one, sort of the medium hook from that set. Let's see. Okay. I believe this is a 6-pin lock if I remember correctly. And also that it has all standards. Not getting a whole lot. Give it a little bit more attention. There's a binder. Okay, a little turn on the core there. There we go. All right. Go ahead and get my pinning tray. All right. So it's a larger. Okay, this one does not want to come out with this tool. Okay. Maybe get out with Sparrow's knife. I can get it to budge and not stab myself like that. And, oh, I see. Okay. No wonder it doesn't want to come out. It's got a little bit of a tab. So I probably need to push on it while I open it. There we go. Was not expecting that to be such an issue. Oh, there goes a circlip. Okay, I'll find that later. This is a larger core than what I typically got, so, all right. Okay. Let's get these out of the way. All right, so let's oh, that's a pain. So, trying to do this through the camera so we get these as best as possible. Okay. 1. 2. I believe these are all standard. And one more. And then these springs should also be all the same, but take them out as well. Come on. Okay. Now, let me orient these. I don't have a key for this, but so you won't be able to see the bitting, but here we have it. No modifications to the core or to the plug. All right, and there you have it.